Alright, here we go. Chef Eden with a bolo knife and a coconut and a dog making strange noises.
Jam is the way there. Inspector Jam. Don't eat jam.
So the objective here is to get to the Buko juice inside.
Mm. Let me see there.
So this is what you call living the dream here in the Philippines.
We have to learn cutting out this one before we get married.
We get to listen to lots of motorcycles running through here as well. Get used to it. It's all part of the experience.
Jam, no.
Get out of here. Get you don't need to be out here. Go on, get go. Now she's gonna behave.
Behave, Jam.
At least that's what she's trying to get.
No, baby.
You don't need to be eating that stuff, Jam. Cut through?
Yeah. Just put a small hole so you can get the juice.
Okay. Is it leaking?
Yes, it's leaking already.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's good. We got the whole cut already. Done. Let's see. Let's see what.
See here?
Where's the hole?
Here.
Right there. So
Yeah,
okay,
just
we
put
got.
the straw in.
Yeah, you can stick a straw inside that small hole.
And
I'm sure people have seen it before, where you stick a straw in a coconut and you just suck the buko juice out of there. It's really good.
Not so clean because I'm not a professional buko cutter.
And it's not cold either. You'd probably want to
keep
put that in the
inside.
freezer or at least the refrigerator for a while, right?
Yep.
But we're gonna drain it into a container.
In a pitcher.
Pitcher.
Yes.
All right, cool. All right, maybe we'll show that part here in a second. All right. Awesome. Okay, so now we're just going to enlarge that hole a little bit.
See the flesh.
Oh, hold on. What is that?
Coconut flesh.
Oh, okay. Just like that.
And
Let's
put
see.
it inside the fridge. Fresh Buko Juice.
Yeah, pretty cool. Get quite a bit actually out of that one little coconut.
No more.
Good.
And then I'm going to make a coconut shake through this one.
A what?
Coconut shake from the flesh. Coconut flesh.
What do you mean? You're gonna carve it up?
Yeah, and then
Get the slices?
put some and then blend it in the blender.
When are you gonna do that?
Huh?
Later?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now that we got the juice out of there,
Yeah. Now we have to cut it. Roll. Easy.
oh yeah. So basically, you're just gonna shave pieces of that white bark or whatever the hell that is, interior.
You can eat this one.
You can what?
You can eat this one.
Okay.
Okay. And we're going to make coconut shake.
Coconut shake?
Yes.
Oh wow, that should be cool.
The coconut has.
So you do that with the spoon, just kind of carve it out, huh?
It's up to you. You just use the spoon or use coconut shredder.
Right.
I have one coconut shredder.
So it's kind of like scooping out a pumpkin. Same concept, same idea.
I don't know where's my coconut shredder. I'll just use this spoon.
Okay.
Oh. This is the right softness for the buko shake, because the coconut shake, because it more milky taste, you know.
And now,
Tasty.
once you shave out once you get these little shavings of coconut peeled out of there,
Yeah,
you're
put
gonna
inside
slice
the
them up.
blender. No need to slice, just put inside the blender.
Let the blender do the rest of the work.
Yeah, put
Alright.
some ice and milk.
Ice and milk. Huh. And then that goes in the buko juice, or is there something completely separate?
Completely separate. If you want to use that buko juice
Yeah.
to make it tastier, then
Okay.
you can use it.
All right.
I don't have I cannot find my coconut shredder, so I just use this one.
All right, so you're basically just gonna cut out as many of these.
Yeah.
The flesh.
Take it out
There you
all.
go. And then it goes right to the blender.
Yes.
All right. Well, maybe we'll come back when we get to the blender part. All right. Okay. Next up, got the all the flesh scraped out from the inside of the coconut, and now we have the blender out filled with chopped ice. I'm just gonna put it in.
Ay!
Aye.
Have to wash it. So waste.
Yeah.
Don't waste.
10-second rule. But it wasn't laying there 10 seconds. You don't have to mess. Don't say anything. What's that? Evaporated milk?
Yeah.
How much?
Put all this.
Okay.
But I already used some.
Where did you go? Okay, so a full can of evaporated milk, which is, what is that, like a 12 8 ounce can? How much is that?
I used some already.
Okay. And that's the Buko juice?
Yes.
Okay.
Just some.
Just a little bit?
Okay.
Alright, so we ran the blender for about 1 minute, and
Now we
we're getting
have-
ready to pour it out. A little bit of ice chunk in there, no problem. This is it. And yeah, real cool, refreshing beverage for a hot day in the Philippines, which is pretty much every day. So yeah, there you have it, guys. We got the Buko juice in the fridge, which is just kind of more or less the clear juice
Now
from the
we
inside.
have Buko shake.
And now that's, yeah, a little bit of a Buko shake thing going here now with the
From
the insides of the coconut.
coconut meat.
Some evaporated milk, some ice, and a little bit of blender action, and we are good to go. Try it, hon. Give it a taste. Good stuff.
Tastes good.
All right, well, I'm gonna grab some myself, but I'm gonna end this video first. So thanks, hon. Appreciate the lesson in bolo knife carving on the coconut and mixing up some Buko juice
Fighting with
and
the bolo knife and the coconut.
making the, what do we call this? A Buko shake, or
Buko
what do you
shake.
want?
Coconut shake, yeah.
Coconut shake. That's what we can call it. Yeah. Once again, the insides of a coconut, evaporated milk, and ice. Throw it in a blender. Let her rip for about a minute, and boom, you're done. All right, thanks, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.